Here we will see two-way data binding using ngModel. So first let's check it's running or not. Yeah, it's running on localhost. So let's go to the code and create an input field here, like this. Input type equal to text. Yeah, and add a button for saving that input field data there. Okay, here button is there. Okay, and now we will go to the ts file. Let's copy that search term and create a variable here. We can give variable any to pass any type of data here, like this. And after that, for initialization we can give ng on init for initialization the data. Yeah, like this. Inside ng on init it will be initialized. For implementation of ng on init we can add like this, and for import we can go on quick fix. Not here, yeah, here quick fix, and click on update import, so it will be import here. So let's check what are the errors are coming. Here it shows like ngModel is not there and property search does not exist. Okay, so we will go in code and import that module. We can directly type here, it will be import in that line number 5, not 5, it will be showing line number 4. Yeah, now you can check on line number 4, it's coming at FormsModule. Now that error will be resolved. Let's check once. Yeah, ngModel error is went. Let me refresh this code. Yeah, now ngModel error is not coming, and now it second error is coming from because we use search here but we didn't add any method like that name. So we create a method like search name here and add a console to that for search term, like what we typed it will be show here in the search term method. So yeah, now it's running. So if we type anything and click on search button, it will be show on the console. That's it.